past couple of weeks I've been seeing a lot of these type of videos, how I made $1 million or made some certain amount of money at this particular age. Now I'm going to admit that's the same reason why I'm doing this, but hear me out. I don't know if it's just me or YouTube is recommending these videos to multiple other people who watch certain videos that has to do with making money online. And I'm about my bag, and because I've been trying to do a lot of online hustles, and I'm teaching you guys as well. So my thoughts on this is, one thing all of these people all have in common, the people making this type of content have in common, is that they all put in hard work. They all found a way to beat the system, so they might have, since they've been doing it for a while, they might have found some type of way to simplify the amount of work they'll have to do than the average person. And as I mentioned earlier, they also put in a lot of work into whatever business model they eventually ended up doing, which made them that amount of money. Also, they had done multiple other things before they found the one that clicked, and then they made a huge amount of the money that you might have spoke about. If it was $100,000, maybe they did other things and got $10,000, and then maybe about 50 to 70+% of the amount of money they made is from the current business venture, the last one they mentioned, and the one they were currently still doing, because it's generating the most amount of money. So the point is, and I've mentioned this previously in another video which you can watch, the link will be in the description, which is 4 easy ways to make money online. I'll leave the link in the description. But it's just all I've been saying, and I'm going to continue repeatedly saying, hard work is very important, and you have to try out different things. Now, this amount of money might sound too unrealistic since you're just starting out, but I guarantee you that there are so many people out there who are making a fortune. And I'm going to call it a fortune because they might not necessarily need that amount of money, but they are making all of it online. And there are multiple business modules that you can do and use as an opportunity to make that amount of money. I've said this multiple times and I'm going to say it again. Take full advantage of the opportunity you have. You have YouTube at the palm of at the tips of your fingers, and you can learn so many things on there. I've given so many different business ideas, so many different side hustles you can do on this particular channel. So if that sounds interesting, please do subscribe as well. Go ahead to the channel and just scroll a bit, and you find something that definitely interests you, and you can use to start making money online today. Regardless of all of that, if you are that person that would always watch this type of videos, this how I made this money or how to make money, and you don't act on it, there's definitely a problem there, because you do realize that you're learning, you're watching these videos to gain value, to gain content, and to be able to replicate the amount of success that these other people might have had. And now it's up to you to do that. But you just click the next video after this one, and then you click the next video and click the next, and so on, and the cycle is on, and you eventually don't end up doing nothing. And so how is the money supposed to come? So the point of all of this is, take action. You have to be about it. You have to show that you're putting in the effort. And I'm not saying, if you do that, the overall message I'm trying to pass on is, let this type of videos be motivation to you. Let it push you to want to do more work, and let it encourage you if you're already doing something, because you know that, okay, yes, this is possible, and you will continue to look forward to the future where you enjoy such amounts of money. Because obviously everybody looks for financial freedom. Am I Besides, that's all I have to say. If you haven't come across any of the videos on this channel before, please do well to subscribe, like this video, so you can reach more people as well. And I know it might be short, but I'm just trying to pinpoint the message and let people understand this is what you're supposed to do. You know what I mean? So like the video, subscribe, and then go to the channel. As I said earlier, you see other videos that you might find interesting. And also, if you know any way I can improve my content, let me know in the comments. If you also want to learn about a particular business model that I have not covered, because you obviously have to go to my channel and find out which ones if you want to learn the ones I have not covered before, let me know also in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know. Let's engage in the comment section, because I'll obviously reply to every single one of them. And I'm out. Take care.